Hi students, welcome to our science class. Our chapter name is Health and Hygiene. In the last two classes, we are discussing about this chapter. What we discussed? We discussed about different components in food. Which are the components? Components are carbohydrates, fats, vitamin, protein and minerals. These are some of the components that we discussed in our last class. And also we discussed about roughage and also water. These are the things we discussed in our last class. Now we are going to discuss the further topics in this chapter. Today we will conclude this. Some of the topics are left. Our first topic is this: balanced diet. Balanced diet. What is this balanced diet? Balanced diet is a type of diet that contains right amount of different nutrients, roughage and water. It is a type of diet that contains right amount of different nutrients, roughage and water. This is what balanced diet. Why we are keeping this balanced diet? It is because it is sufficient or it is needed for healthy functioning of body. Healthy functioning of our body. So this is what balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet that contains right amount. Right amount means a particular amount or sufficient amount of different nutrients, roughage and water that is needed for healthy functioning of our body. This is what balanced diet. We want to keep balanced diet for being fit and healthy. This is about balanced diet. You just want to study the definition and that is there in your textbook. The next one is hygiene. Hygiene. Now the question is, what is this hygiene? Hygiene is defined as good habit. That is, the hygiene is good habit. Good habit that ensures cleanliness and good health. So, hygiene can be defined as it is a good habit that ensures cleanliness and good health. This is what the definition of hygiene. The next thing is why we are keeping hygiene or why we are being hygiene. The reason is this: it prevents from diseases or it helps us to prevent from diseases. Prevent diseases. This is what hygiene. Now, next you want to study the steps to maintain hygiene. That means how we can maintain hygiene. Now we are going to discuss which are the different steps that we want to do in our life to be hygiene. Very simple steps. The first one is this: we should wash our hands. We should wash our hands with soap and water. We should wash our hands with soap and water before eating food. Before eating food and after going to toilet. This is the first thing. That is, we want to wash our hands with soap and water daily before eating food and after going to toilet. That is the first step. The second step is this: we should bath daily. Bath daily. Why? To remove dust. To remove dust, dead cells, and germs from our body. So this is the second step. That means we want to bath daily to remove dust, dead cells. We already studied that many cells are having dying and damaging and they are getting reproduced. So that dead cells, some of the dead cells are being washed away by the bathing. And also the germs can be avoided from our body by taking bath. So that is the second step. Now we are moving to the third step. That is, the third step is this: we should brush our teeth daily. We should brush our teeth daily twice. We should brush our teeth daily twice. When? At morning and night before sleep. So, we want to brush our teeth daily twice. That is the third point. Now, the fourth point is this: we should clip our nails. We should clip our nails regularly. What is this clip means? Clip means we want to cut our nails regularly. Now the fifth point is this: kitchen, floor, toilet and bathroom should be cleaned with disinfectant regularly. This is the next step. That means our kitchen, our floor, toilet and bathroom should clean with disinfectant. What is this disinfectant means? It means the solution which kills germs or the infections have to be avoided. That is what disinfectant. We want to clean our kitchen, floor, toilet and bathroom should clean with disinfectant regularly or daily. So that is the fifth step, and the sixth step is this. We want to keep our surroundings clean. We want to keep our surroundings clean. This is the fifth point. So, we discussed about we want to bath daily, we want to clip our nails daily, then we want to brush twice a day, then we discussed about we want to clean our kitchen, floor, toilet and all with disinfectant, we want to clean the surroundings, all the things we want to do for keep being hygiene. This is about the hygiene. Now, we are moving to the next topic. I hope the hygiene you understood, and in your textbook you can see these 6 steps are there. I just explained the 6. So, you want to study these steps. The same thing I explained is here. So, I am not including this thing in your notebook. No need of copying the same thing in your notebook. So, you want to study these steps. I am not including it in your notebook. So, you want to read the textbook and study these points. The next is exercise. Exercise. Why we are doing exercise? We want to do regular exercise. We want to do regular exercise to maintain our body fit and healthy. So, we want to do regular exercise to maintain our body fit and healthy. So, we want to do exercise regularly. And why we are doing exercise? What is the reason? When we are doing exercise, we get some sort of advantages. Now we are going to discuss what are the advantages we are getting by doing these exercises. The first one is this: it improves blood circulation. For example, when I am running, what happens? You can feel your heartbeats getting increased. That means the blood circulation through our body is getting increased. So, this exercise improves blood circulation. That is one of the advantage. The next one is, when we are running for some time, what happens? We feel hunger. So, why we are feeling hunger? That means our food is getting digested faster. So, we can say it improves digestion. It improves digestion. The next point is this: when we are doing exercise, our muscles get stronger. So, that is the next thing. It tones up muscles. So, this is all about the exercise. What we discussed, we want to do regular exercise to maintain our body fit and healthy. To make our body fit and healthy. The next one is this: we want to improve our blood circulation and also improve digestion, and we want to make our muscles strong. To all these we are doing exercise. And which are the good exercises? Some simple exercise methods are playing outdoor games, yoga, swimming, cycling, walking, running, etc. The simple exercise methods are playing outdoor games or swimming, cycling, walking, running, etc. These are some of the simple exercise methods. So you just want to remember these things, very simple. So this is all about the exercises, and the last topic in this chapter remaining is the adequate rest. Rest. So we are working continuously, and why we are sleeping? What is the reason? Actually, our body needs rest. Our body needs rest. If we are not sleeping and resting, what happens? We will get tired, and it is impossible to be without sleeping for days. So, our body needs rest. We want to take proper rest for being healthy. And the first thing is this: we want to rest and sleep regularly or sufficiently. That means we want to take rest and sleep. Why? For relax our muscles, brain and body. For the relaxing, we are sleeping and taking rest. It helps to proper functioning of body. It helps to proper functioning of body. That means when we are not taking proper rest, that leads to some sort of diseases and all. So we want to take rest regularly. How many hours one adult have to sleep? An adult or an healthy adult want to sleep 6 to 8 hours a day. An adult want to sleep 6 to 8 hours a day. So this is all about the rest. That means very simple things. We want to take rest, otherwise we will get diseases and we will get tired. So we want to take rest and sleep to relax our muscles, brain and body, and that help us to the proper functioning of our body. We want to sleep 6 to 8 hours a day. This is all about this chapter, and in the last area you can see a picture. Here they are saying that the posture of sitting. That means we want to sit very straight, and we don't want to sit bent, and don't sit like bending and read books. You just want to sit straight and read books, and what you are doing? You always want to sit straight. Then only our body will be healthy. So that is the thing that mentioned in the table. Just want to read and observe the diagram. So here our chapter is over, and today only some sort of things we discussed. Our chapter is over. So now you want to do one thing, the exercises C, D and E. Some questions. So you just want to do it now itself after listening the class. Already you listened that, and please read the textbook. Small chapter is this. So please do this C, D and F. And after doing that, I will send you the answer to check this. So this is all about today's class. We will meet in next class with another chapter. Thank you.